One of the key reasons to build a custom keyboard is for its sound. With all sorts of different sound signatures that could be achieved with different configurations, the acoustics of a keyboard is a huge part of the community. But what if that sound is actually affecting others? Let's say you're at work, or maybe it's affecting your family because your keyboard's too loud. Well, technically you could just not give a shit, but today I'm gonna try to build the quietest keyboard. I'm talking absolute silence, so let's start with our keyboard kit. This is the Leo 87 by Velocifier. In my opinion, this is probably one of the most useful or practical keyboards you could use in terms of productivity or just something you would want to bring to work. Aside from the keyboard, you have an instruction manual, extra switches, keycap and switch puller, braided USB-C cable. Basically, this is everything you would need. As for the keyboard, it has one of the most functional layouts, the 80% layout, otherwise known as 10 keyless. With access to your function keys and arrow keys using the numpad, it's honestly my go-to layout. With a nano spray coated case, its coat is gonna be durable in the long run. It has a large light bar for aesthetic purposes, it has a USB port, triple mode connection, battery life that could last you one whole week, a side scroll wheel and volume control button. Basically, with all these functions, this keyboard is built for productivity. And in terms of how it looks, I would say it fits perfectly in an office setup. There's nothing too loud visually, so it really is just a nice slick black mechanical keyboard. And here's how it sounds right out of the box. The keyboard in its stock configuration is pretty loud. You could imagine your workers going like, dude, chill. So in terms of its custom keyboard specs, I couldn't really find a way to open it up. The top cover is held in by plastic clips, but the scroll wheel and volume buttons at the side are kind of blocking it. But based off what I can see, we have an FR4 plate, we have a 5-pin hot swappable PCB, which means we can swap out switches anytime we want. Which is very important because we are going to swap out the switches for the quietest keyboard. As for the mounting style, if I'm not wrong, it should be top mounted, so that gives you a sturdier typing experience, not the gasket experience that you would be used to. Anyway, to build a really quiet keyboard, it's a few simple steps. Step 1, remove keycaps. Step 2, remove switches. Step 3, grab new switches. These are the Lucy silent linear switches. I got mine from Clock King. They are priced at 50 cents a piece. A 5-pin linear switch, palm top housing, nylon bottom housing, and a palm stem with a silicone dampener. It's basically a really smooth switch that operates at near silence. Step 4, install switches. Step 5, install keycaps. 5 simple steps. And trust me, this keyboard is basically silent. So if you're looking for an upgrade in switches for your office keyboard, maybe you already own one, you can check out the Lucy silent switches. They are really quiet. Or maybe you wanted to build a custom keyboard for your workplace and you kind of want to remain allies with all your colleagues, then I would recommend the Leo 87 for its practicality, and try out the Lucy switches and I'm pretty sure you're good to go. The Leo 87 basically has every single function you would require. The keyboard itself provides you with every single function I think you would need. There's a USB port, there's the scroll wheel, there's a ton of things on this keyboard that could be used for productivity. And the silent switches are insanely quiet. I couldn't even hear the keyboard when I was typing on it. And realistically, with the Leo 87 on your desk, people are gonna walk past and I feel like they wouldn't even know it's a custom keyboard. It's kind of like a sleeper build, you know? One of those keyboards that look really normal, but at the end of the day, it has all the functions, it has everything, and it feels good to type on. So if you're interested, do check out the Leo 87. It will be linked in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you enjoy keyboard content. Thank you so much for 80,000 subscribers. So remember to subscribe if you enjoy keyboard content. Comment your thoughts on a quiet keyboard. Let me know what you think about that. And aside from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Keyboard. Let me know what you think about that. And aside from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.